Tesla Model Y Juniper should make repairing this part easier. Tesla recently released its refreshed Model Y design in China and other Asian markets, and the design's unveiling also seems to include a change that could make certain repairs easier. After photos surfaced on X of the refreshed Model Y's glacier blue color at Gigafactory Texas over the weekend, one photo of the vehicle's rear showed a design change to the trunk that could be targeting ease of repairs. As spotted by Drive Tesla Canada on Tuesday, the new Model Y trunk has now been separated into two parts, which could make it easier to repair, along with potentially decreasing insurance premiums on the vehicle for buyers. The separation was first noticed in press photos of the vehicle, leading to speculation about the design change. The photo below, as shared by X user ShoutyShushu on Sunday, confirms the news. As can be seen in the photo, the refreshed design now features a separate upper section and a replaceable lower section, giving owners the ability to replace only the lower section when damaged. This area of the vehicle is commonly damaged, as it's easy enough for many to accidentally bump into obstacles, causing small dents, scrapes, or other cosmetic damage that can be pricey to repair on legacy Model Y units. When parts are separated out like this, it can also make it easier for insurance companies to justify offering lower premiums, given that smaller repair processes can lead to fewer claims and lower payouts overall. In addition, insurance firms have been outspoken to automakers in recent years about repairability, playing a role in setting premium prices. The new Model Y includes several exterior and interior design changes, including the debut of light bars instead of traditional headlights and taillights. These follow a similar design language to those of the recently released Cybercab and the Cybertruck, which both also include light bars. Tesla Model Y orders get upgraded to Juniper automatically in the Philippines after several months of anticipation for the refreshed Model Y and a handful of sightings in multiple markets. Tesla officially debuted the redesigned vehicle with a launch in China last week. The company has been rumored to have been producing many of the refreshed units at its Gigafactory in Shanghai, though it has now also been reported that Tesla has produced the first refreshed Model Y unit at its Gigafactory in Germany as well. It's not yet clear when Tesla plans to launch the new Model Y in the US or other markets, though we're likely to see it come within the next several months. The vehicle will almost undoubtedly be launched for European markets first, given the start of production at Giga Berlin, and it could follow a similar rollout to that of Tesla's refreshed Model 3, which was released over a few months between fall 2023 and early 2024. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.